I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account status and that you meet platform rules. This prevents simple rejections. Once done, locate the exact filter or safety setting labels in the app so you talk about the right control. Make sure to collect a clear purpose and representative examples of the content you need. If the platform requires verification, complete that step now, because policy compliance and identity checks are often prerequisites for any review or adjustment. You should proceed by using official support channels, help center tickets, in-app feedback forms, or verified contact emails to request a moderation review. Describe the why and the how, provide exact examples, and explain your legitimate use case so reviewers can assess risk. Once submitted, reference relevant policy language and suggest appropriate mitigations like role-based permissions or age gates. This shows you're thinking about safety and makes it easier for moderators to consider. You finish by tracking the request ID and monitoring responses. Patience matters, but follow up politely after the platform's stated window. If your request is denied, ask for concrete reasons and what specific changes would make approval possible, then iterate your submission. Make sure to implement any approved mitigations, age verification, explicit content warnings, or restricted access, and continuously monitor behavior. Troubleshooting tip: if content is still blocked, review logs and screenshots to show reviewers exact failures rather than guessing why it happened.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.